Hola mis amigotes, bienvenidos a Easy Peasy Spanish with Angie. And today I'm going to teach you some Dominican gestures. And let me tell you, we Dominicans, when we talk, we use our eyes, nose, yes I know, nose, mouth, hands, feet, and we also make weird noises when we want to say something. I want you to tell me if you have the same gestures in your country. Please let me know. I want to read you in the comment section. Ese lugar estaba. That place was. What do you think it means? Lleno. Estaba lleno, lleno. Full. Mi papá es muy. My father is very. What do you think it means? Let's see if you can guess. Tacaño, tacaño, stingy. This is so funny to me, and I've got a story about this. I just wanted to ask a friend to look to another place, and I just kept going. And she was just looking at me like, what is she doing? What is Angie doing? She couldn't understand what I meant. So yes, we Dominicans, sometimes we point at things with our lips. So let's say I want to show you something, but I don't want other people to know. We will normally go, especially if you want, for example, you are with a friend and you want to say, look at her, or look at her, you would say, yes. That's just to point at something. So instead of going, we just go. So in that way, it's like a little bit secret. Next. This one has two meanings. This is morirse, like for example, if you have a dog and the dog dies and someone asks you, oh, what about your dog? He wasn't very well. You could say, like, he died, se murió. Or if you don't have any money and someone is asking you money, can you please lend me some money? You could say like, no, I don't have any money, no tengo dinero. So we also go like that. This one has two meanings. For example, I don't care. So I don't care. No me importa. I don't care. No me importa. Or it could also mean, I don't know. Yo no sé. So you shrug your shoulders. This one is when you look at something that for you is like a little bit ridiculous, or if someone is doing something a bit ridiculous, you go. This one is so funny because until now, no one understands this until I explain. And it is a sound that we make, and we call it chwippy. So we go. For example, if you are not giving importance to something, so you go, let's say, for example, like, maybe I don't really care. See, chwippy. Dominican mothers, they are very strict. And we say something like, it's called atacando los ojos. I won't even translate that because it's a little bit, it doesn't really make sense if I try to translate that in English, but it's like doing this. Like looking at you with that expression and making that expression with your eyes. For example, if one of your children is doing something wrong and you don't want to correct them in front of people, so you would go, atacando los ojos. Crazy. Let me know if you have this one in your country. Or if you knew this, write it in the comment section. I want to read about all these gestures. Please let me know where are you from and if you have some gestures in common. Loco. Loco. I can't even translate it literally because, as I said before, it doesn't really make any sense. And it is this one. And we call it cortar los ojos. Cortar los ojos. And if I translate this literally, it means cutting your eyes, which doesn't really make sense. But we normally do this when we are not happy about something, or someone is doing something that you don't like. They're doing something to you that you don't like, but you are probably in a group and you don't want to say like, oh, stop doing that, but you want to show that you are not happy with what the person is doing, so you do this. Cortar los ojos. Cortar los ojos. This one. Rolling your eyes. You will normally do this when something is like silly. So you would go. This one is so funny because people doesn't get it. And the funny thing is that it comes naturally. So sometimes I would do it as well. And if someone tells me something that I don't understand, I would go. It's like you are scrunching your face and you go. Yeah, it means like what? Okay. Later. So if someone is asking me to do something, oh Angie, can you please do this? Oh yes. Later. Después. This one, dinero, money. And you can also combine some gestures. For example, let's say if you remember, if I say, yes, I don't have any money. So this one is like, watch out. No, it's like, pay attention. This one, robar, to steal. I will combine some gestures now, some Dominican gestures, and I want you to interpret them. Let's see this one. So if I say, write in the comment section what this one means. Okay? What does this mean? Let me know. Write this in the comment section. Lambón. Lambón. Right. If I translate this literally, it's related to lick, but when we go like this, we're trying to say that someone is paying a lot of compliments to someone else just because that other person is in a better position and you would like probably to take an advantage of that person, or you want to be liked by that person. So you're going to be like flattering. You will use flattering words towards that person. And then I will say that because you are behaving in that way, you are, tú eres un lambón. Tú eres, next, ps, ps. Yes, when we are calling sometimes someone, and if you don't know the name of the person, you would normally go ps, ps. Yeah. Next one. Okay. Espera. Wait. This one. Would you like to dance? So with your index finger, you roll it like this. And this is when you are inviting someone to dance with you. So you go, would you like to dance? And last but not least, ella es. This means rich. Yeah, I'm probably arrogant. So that person is rich. Right, this is the end of our video. Please, por favor, déjame saber si en tu país tienen algunos gestos similares. Please let me know if you have any similar gesture in your country, or let me know if you knew some of this. Well, please, I want to read your comments. Remember to subscribe. Recuerda suscribirte.